trade with Pakistan compared to what we could be doing and should be doing when our countries really go along perfectly. And I think we're having that start. We're going to have that start. But there's tremendous upside with respect to trade. One of the things we're going to be discussing too is hostages. Perhaps the polio vaccine, because Pakistan is one of the countries, and we'll talk about that as to what the feeling is on that. But we have a situation in Pakistan where we want to talk about the polio, the possible polio vaccine. And I think we're going to have great meetings. We're going to be spending a long time together. We have our representatives meeting right after we're finished, and we just came out, Mr. Prime Minister, with tremendous economic numbers for the United States, the best we've ever had. We've got the best economy we've ever had. And I think we can shift some of that over to Pakistan. We should be doing tremendous business together. So I look forward to it.
Inshallah.
And it is an honor to have you.
Yes, Prime Minister Khan, your comment.
Since I assumed office as Prime Minister of Pakistan, I mean, the United States is vital for Pakistan. We have links which have gone back since Pakistan became independent. We've been fighting wars together. First, Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, Pakistan was a frontline state, allied to the US, and then again in the war on terror, which was after 9/11. So, I look forward to my conversation.
Mr. President, Pakistan has been alive for 14 years during the Afghan war. So faced terrorism, faced economic disaster and all that, and still we were taken to the court with all the accusations that Pakistan is not a responsible state. Now when India and US has developed an alliance in the region, how you plan to foresight about the past-US relationship, how they can be strengthened when those preferences in India, number one, and secondly, after your campaign, what kind of promises?
It's a big question. I could go on for hours.
Thank you.
I will say that we have a very good relationship with India. I know that your relationship is strained a little bit, maybe a lot. But we will be talking about India as a very big part of our conversation today, and I think maybe if we can help intercede, do whatever we have to do, but I think it's something that can be worked out together. And we'll also be talking about Afghanistan. We've reduced our number of troops there by quite a bit. We are continuing to reduce troops in Afghanistan. We're working with Pakistan and others on getting the agreement signed, as you know. And we'll see what happens, but we will be talking about India and Afghanistan very much so.
Reporting today that Huawei had a relationship with North Korea to build their commercial wireless network. Have you been briefed on that? Do you have concerns?
I know all about it. I know all about Huawei. I know all about 5G, and we're working on it. And we have companies that are now getting very, very strong in that. We're going to have 5G. We're going to have the best 5G in the world, just like we have everything else. Our Silicon Valley cannot be competed with. There's nobody that can compete with Silicon Valley for the brain power for what we do. And nobody was focused on 5G, but now they are. And we have great companies going into 5G. Even if they don't want it to, a lot of them are very happy doing what they were doing. But now they're going, at my request, they're going into 5G. So we don't need anything from anybody.
You have additional concerns about North Korea?
What?
The Post is reporting about Huawei's relationship with North Korea.
Well, we'll have to find out. Our relationship with North Korea has been very good. We've really established a good relationship with Kim Jong-un. I have personally. There's no rocket testing. There's no missile testing. We're getting our remains back. We've got our hostages back. And we have a very, very good relationship, the two of us, and that's very important. There's been no nuclear testing. And what they're doing with 5G will be, you will have to see. I'll have to visit. Say it again.
Sir, this is John from Airline University, Pakistan. Lindsey Graham, when he met Imran Khan, he says, you both are kind of same personalities. You are the president who fulfilled all your promises with your campaign. And the same like Imran Khan, he's also fulfilling all the promises. So how do you see this meeting, like same kind of person, straight to the point?
Well, I think we're going to have a great meeting today. I know it's an important meeting. I consider this a very important meeting because I think we haven't met the potential of either country. I think the potential with Pakistan and likewise the opposite way. I think we have not even come close to meeting it. There is tremendous potential between our country and Pakistan. I think Pakistan is going to help us out to extricate ourselves. We're like policemen. We're not fighting a war. If we wanted to fight a war in Afghanistan and win it, I could win that war in a week. I just don't want to kill 10 million people. Does that make sense to you? I don't want to kill 10 million people. I have plans on Afghanistan that if I wanted to win that war, Afghanistan would be wiped off the face of the earth. It would be gone. It would be over literally in 10 days. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to go that route. So we're working with Pakistan and others to extricate ourselves. Nor do we want to be policemen, because basically we're policemen right now. And we're not supposed to be policemen. We've been there for 19 years in Afghanistan. It's ridiculous. And I think Pakistan helps us with that because we don't want to stay as policemen. But if we wanted to, we could win that war.
ये वो गुफ्तगू है।
अभी व्हाइट हाउस में आप ये मनाजिर देख रहे हैं जहां पर अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान दोनों हमरा मौजूद हैं और सहाफ़ियों को बताया जा रहा है कि किन किन मामलात पर आज इस अहम मुलाकात में बात होने जा रही है, इस तारीखी मुलाकात में बात होने जा रही है। मसला कश्मीर पर सालिसी की पेश
This is Mateen from GTV Network Pakistan. Pakistani army has fought war against terror, and it has fought definitely and gave sacrifices in protecting Pakistan-Afghanistan border as well. But Pakistan's sincerity was always doubted. Coalition Support Fund was suspended by the US Defense Department. So at this time when Pakistani economy is facing great trouble, are you going to restore any package for Pakistan?
We are going to. We were paying $1.3 billion to Pakistan as aid, working up for many years. The problem was Pakistan, this is before you, Pakistan was not doing anything for us. They were really, I think, subversive. They were going against us. And this is something we'll be I ended that about a year and a half ago, the $1.3 billion. And I tell you what, to be honest, I think we have a better relationship with Pakistan right now than we did.
अमरीकी सदर
सहाफ़ियों के सवालात के जवाब इस वक्त दिए जा रहे हैं डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान की जानिब से। और आपको बताएं कि मसला कश्मीर जो कि कोर इशू है पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान, और उस हवाले से सालिसी की पेशकश डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कर दी।